Hey guys, what's up? Check out what I'm reviewing today. This is a keyboard for my new monitor. If you check out part 1 of this short series, you can see I did an unboxing and kind of review of the HP 27-inch monitor. Super thin, and it is absolutely crazy. It's $180 on Amazon, full HD, and I am so glad I got it, so check out that. But this is part 2. Also, I'm gonna have part 3 with a computer mouse, which is a super nice computer mouse. That'll be part 3 coming out in a few days. But this one is on a space gray keyboard. Now, a lot of you guys probably know of the space gray Apple keyboard, and I wanted to get that one, but that one was $150. This one was $40, 60 reviews on Amazon, so not a ton, and it's 4.5 stars. So we're gonna open it up here and see actually how nice it is. So let's get it open here. All of this is not sponsored or anything like that. I actually bought all of this with my money because these are kind of some new toys for my editing station. So this is kind of exciting for me, getting new things to edit on, because I was tired of editing on my MacBook because it was kind of small. Oh buddy, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I already can tell this is gonna be nice. We're gonna see how loud it is and also kind of check out how long battery's gonna last. But just feeling this and looking at this is super nice. Okay, let's get this open. It is a Movo, I believe that's how you say it. I've seen this brand before on a few other products. It's M-O-V-O. So it's not a terrible brand, but I haven't gotten really much from it. It also has the calculator on the side here, the extended, which is what Apple came out with. But oh man, it feels fairly nice. And if you look at it, you can see right here, as you can see, it kind of has a slight bend this way. So you kind of have a nice curve when you're typing. So we're actually gonna see how that feels. The one thing that put me off getting this is the keys. They're actually not like a hole that light's shining through. It's like a really nice sticker, so we're gonna actually see. But let's see what else is in here. Now, it did come with just this cheap mouse, which I'm probably not going to use. It's really small. You can see right here if you guys just want a cheap mouse. I mean, it's okay, I guess. The clicking's kind of noisy, and the roller's kind of nice. It also just carries 2 AAA batteries. And also, okay, so we also have the wireless part right here, which plugs into a USB, and that's stored in here. So that would actually go with the keyboard because I'm not using this. Instructions, and then we just have a mini USB right here for charging it. Okay, so now let's kind of look at this. It is all metal, the bottom is, but now that I look at it, the top is plastic. So that might be kind of annoying if you want a little nicer keyboard, but the bottom is metal. And then we have the plug right here on the side. And we have, this is if it's charging, I'm guessing. We also have lock mode, 1A, and power. And also we have the power button here. Let's see if it actually has some power in it. Yeah, has some power, as you can see the lights on right there. So it has some power. I'm not gonna connect it because I don't have my Mac out here. So let's listen to how this actually sounds. Huh. I am actually very surprised. This is quiet. It's a little bit noisy, but if you actually listen to it, this is quieter than my MacBook. That's pretty cool. And then we have our calculator here on the side, and we have arrows and a whole bunch of other different keys you can set up. And we have our volume. We have our volume on the top. Also, we have play and skip buttons. We also have brightness, different customizable buttons up here as well. But actually looking at this, I'm surprised. I'm actually surprised. It does feel a little bit cheap, so if you want one to feel really tough, I would get the Apple, of course. I was going to, but too expensive. But if you actually, like I am, I'm gonna be using it a lot, but not like 24/7. This is gonna be totally fine for me, because this will actually be pretty good. Nice size, it's not too big. They're easy to see keys. The only thing is, I wonder how long these stickers are actually gonna last. It's not like a full sticker, it's almost like a painted sticker, but it's not an actual etch, which could be annoying, but we'll see. But otherwise, I think this is pretty cool, and I actually like that rounded. I really like that rounded on it because it kind of gives that kind of set, you know, you can rest and it's really low, and you know, you kind of get a nice angle, you can rest real nicely. I'm really gonna enjoy this. Wow, this is pretty nice. But like I did say, it is a little cheap feeling. So if you wanted one to be really nice feeling, I would probably go with a different one, maybe a little more expensive. There's a ton of space gray ones out there, so if you like this color, and I wanted it to match my MacBook and kind of match my monitor, which is like a silver white. Okay, well, that is done with part 2 of this mini series. Part 3 will be coming out in a couple days, and that will be with the computer mouse, which is a super nice computer mouse, and it's $40. I'm not gonna release the brand, but you guys check that out when it comes out. That'll be the final kind of episode, I guess you could call it, to my computer editing hub. Thank you guys for watching, and like I said earlier, make sure you check out the first video, because that gives you the whole monitor if you wanted to kind of go through all of this and get everything that you see here. Also, check out the show notes and links in my description to all this and also the monitor. And I'll see you guys back in another video.